Alright, we got him to the road. So we didn't get any wheelie videos, but had to blaze the trail. And we're gonna gut him now and try to get him on the trailer and ice down and heading back for home. So. I got my 2 hired guides rigging them. Good thing there's a few sticks around. Don't break his neck.
Yeah, that'd be So how does that 4-wheelers ever work?
I was worried because I didn't top the gas tank off. I was hoping we wouldn't run out of gas.
Reserve.
And I was hoping that the back tires wouldn't go flat either.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
There he is. Call him Little Wiener.